Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts in Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. This is number 3 of the 2021 flat top Seminoles, first 4 we had in this year. Black and silver, kind of the very traditional Peterbilt look. 2021 model year, 389, extended hood, flat top, 72-inch flat top. Like I said, just a very classic look. Can't go wrong with this. Got a nice metal flake in that black, very small but very nice. And we're not doing any border around that. That'll be for whoever buys it. I think I'd pull those Peterbilt logos off, put the old square Peterbilt logos on there is what I'd do. We added the extra cab lights, 2 extra. They're all clear, and then when they're on, they're amber. 14-inch drop visor, all polished stainless steel. Breather lights, front and back. We also did them internal up in there. You can just barely see them. We get the LED lights under the cab and under the sleeper. Polished stainless steel def tank, 110 polished fuel tank, polished steps, and with the steps you get the grab handles, 6 load lights, dark tinted rear window on the sleeper. Then we do on the back of the sleeper we do a radio antenna and the CB antenna to keep them off the rear view mirrors. Kind of gives it a cleaner look. Plus we don't put any air horns on the cab. It cleans it up a lot. 30-inch Hodge-built quarter fenders, round hole wheels, aluminum wheels. We did 285 75R 24.5s LoPros on this. Air slide 5th wheel, Holland FW 35 5th wheel, 36-inch slide. We did disc brakes on the rear. Locking diff. That right there tells you it's a locker. This has full lockers, so the front axle, the rear axle, and the inner axle all locked. So we call them 3-way lockers, but that's what that is. Don't see that a lot on highway trucks, but cattle haulers really like it. And if you're getting any kind of off-road at all, even on-road, when the roads get bad, it's very nice to have. We got LED tail lights and reverse light. Tuck them up in that rear cross member. Polished step, like I said, and then we got jump posts here in case you got to jump a pony motor or jump a reefer, something like that. 150-gallon tank on this side. I just love that Seminole. It's still very classy. Polished after treatment. See, there are no air horns on the top of the cab, so I like old school, but I'm not a big fan of air horns on the cab. But if you are, we can order them. Cummins X15, 15 liter, 565 horse, 2050 torque, 13.2 steer axle. It's also an air ride. Got dual leveling valves, disc brakes up front. Take a look at the other side. There's your classic Peterbilt black. Beautiful color. DAVCO fuel filter with the remote lube, air ride, and disc. Got a flipped. So we can close it, take you inside. And obviously this one needed a black interior. Get you a head-on view. Dang good looking truck. Got the platinum interior in this one. And again, just like the others that I have shown. A little storage under there, accessible inside. The Rosewood dash, heated seats. The button right there tells you it's heated. Power windows and power mirrors. Got 13 miles on this one. No navigation. As full of gauges as we can get. Got the three-way lockers right here and a PTO switch. So the two extra ones take up these two spots right here. So we can't get the full 23 gauges, but this is what we call our 21 gauge package, I guess. Factory CB. Just a look down the hood. Come over here. 18 speed. Black carpet. Can do the gray carpet as well. Black leather seats. Back into the sleeper. Got a business center here. Pull-outs, storage for TV can go up there. More storage. Exit. I guess your heater controls. And got a full-length closet there for all your hang-ups. This zips across to give you a little more privacy back here. That's the black and silver 389 flat top. We gotta shut this off, and got a weight of, this one is 18,606. 18,606. So just thought I'd share that with you. There's our other three. Red fire on the right with white diamond, blue diamond with white diamond in the middle, and silver with radiant red on the left there. I'll get a video of that one too. Just thought I'd share this with you. 336 gears, full lockers, 18 speed, just a beautiful truck. Rides like a dream with that air ride steer axle. I just thought I'd share it with you. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you guys watching. If you get a chance, just subscribe, hit the bell. I'd appreciate it. We're trying to push up the subscription just a little bit. And then what I always enjoy, and I try to reply to everybody, just put in the comments where you're viewing from. We get people from all over the world, so it's really fun to hear who watches these things. And so far, I think, Bruce, you're the record holder, South Island of New Zealand. So far so good. I haven't had anybody else beat that as far as distance. I guess I'd have to do some figuring, but right now I think you got it. So anyway, appreciate it if you would do that. Like it, subscribe it. I guess that's the trick to YouTube. Still learning this stuff. But thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keith Couch at Rush Truck Center, Rocky Mountain Peterbilts in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. You can email me at couchk, couchk, at rushenterprises.com. Thank you for your time.